Hey y'all, welcome once again. Today we're going to be making some blueberry and banana smoothie. So let's get into the video. We're going to need some orange juice, some blueberries. You just make it to your heart desire. We have some almond milk, banana, and spinach. So once you get your ingredients together, you just have your blender. You can use whatever blender you have. I just have my Magic Bullet. So that's the one I'm using, and you see I put my blueberries in and my spinach. I hope everyone is having a good day, and if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know where you're watching from and what you like in our video. So there you see I peeled my ripe banana, and now I'm adding my almond milk, but because I don't want to make a mess, you see I'm taking my time to pour it in, and then I add some orange juice as well, and then we're going to blend that a little bit, and then I'm going to be adding some ice cubes just to get it a little bit cooler, and then I add the ice cube mix, and then you're just going to blend until it's smooth. And there you see I'm adding the ice, like I said, and then you're just gonna serve that. You can have this for breakfast, lunch. I don't recommend so much dinner because of the juices, but try to incorporate some vegetable in your smoothie as well. And there you see our finished product. We thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Bye, have a good day and stay safe.